Hello and welcome back to the channel How Does It Info, and today I will show you how to share your cart on AliExpress. So when you say that you want to share your cart on AliExpress, that means that you have to create your list. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. You should open your cart at the bottom side of your screen and make sure that all items from your cart are in your wish list. So to do that, open item and make sure that this heart icon is red. That means that this item is in your wish list. And let me show you, if I unlike it, it will be simply gray. You need it to be red. So now that you made sure that you liked your items from your cart, they are in your wish list, you need to go to your account and basically go to your wish list. And now at the top you should select My Lists and press button Make a Wish List. Now you should select a name for your wish list, and you can select it to be private or public. Press Create List, and now you have to add items to your list. That's why I said that your items from your cart should be liked, because you see here items that are in your wish list. So simply mark them like that and press Add. You see that I have just created my first wish list, and to share it I need to press Share an icon that looks like this, and this will generate a link that I can copy and send it to someone, or I can show a QR code. So unfortunately that's the only way how you can share your cart on AliExpress, by creating your list. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.